Hello people, in this tutorial I'll show you how to remove green screen in DaVinci Resolve. In DaVinci Resolve, as you can see, I've got this skeleton and I want to remove the green screen behind it. So to do that, I will go up to Effects and then I will go to Resolve FX. Then I will type, which I already typed, 3D. So type that and find the 3D key here. Then I'll drag this and drop it over the layer. And if you don't see this on your workspace, what you have to do is just go under the screen, click on this dot and click on Open FX Overlay. And then if you don't see it over here, go to Inspector, click on that, and under FX you're gonna have all the settings of the 3D key. Now once we have the 3D key applied, I'm gonna click on this eyedrop, then I'll start drawing around the green screen on the program monitor, as you can see. And the skeleton now it's in white, which means that the green, hopefully it's removed from the background. As you can see, only the skeleton is left, and what we have to do is just click on invert. And as you can see, the skeleton still has this greenish overlay. So to remove this green overlay, we're gonna go down to the spill and just drag it to the right until the green layer disappears from the skeleton. As you can see, now it looks much better. Right, so now let's see the final result. And just like that, people, you can remove a green background in DaVinci Resolve. If you enjoyed the video and you learned something new, please hit that like button and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more tutorials like this one. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.